What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Solana because this coin is for the past couple of days pumping absolutely like crazy, and in this video I will show you the exact setups that I'm currently watching and if certain conditions are met about the exact potential trade that I'm planning to take. So if you are interested, definitely watch this video till the end. If you like my analysis and you want to know about all the trades and about all the potential setups that I'm currently watching, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I am sharing this every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a weekly time frame. You can see that right now we are really close to hit a current all-time high, which is somewhere around $260. With this, we are having here this bearish order block, which is between levels 260 and 197. And this weekly time frame can be actually a first interesting opportunity to open here a long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So you can trade it on a daily and on a weekly time frame. For this trade, I need to mark this $260 mark, which is a current all-time high. And the main setup that I'm waiting for will be valid in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation. As I said, you can trade this on a daily and weekly time frame. So if you want to wait here for a support confirmation on a weekly time frame, then this trade is having much better probability of a success, but there is a high probability that this coin will continue with its pump and there won't be any support confirmation on a weekly time frame. The same thing, you can trade it on a daily chart. You can see that on a daily time frame we don't have here this bearish order block. That's why I marked here that $260 mark. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So yeah, entry will be somewhere around this level, and stop loss in this case, of course, best stop loss will be to place it under this bearish order block. But this is gonna give you like stop loss around 25% of a net market, and that's not good because your risk reward ratio is gonna be really bad. So for a trade like this, I would risk, let's say, something around like 8%, yeah, something like that, because with this trade, I want to speculate for like $400 mark, which will give you, in this case, risk reward ratio like 6.58, and that's, in my opinion, really good. I know that a lot of people are now talking about $500, and in my opinion, there is actually pretty high probability that this coin will hit it in the upcoming bull market. So if you want to trade this move up, let's say, to this 500 level, then place your last take profit targets slightly under this level, because a lot of people will be taking their profits somewhere around this area. So let's say something around like 485, something like that, which will give you risk reward ratio around 10.7, and that's, in my opinion, really great. Of course, in this case, you want to take multiple take profit targets. This can be a slight problem because we will be in the price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have here any interesting support or resistances. Also, you can see that this is probably the most bullish altcoin in the current bull market if we are gonna take a look on the coins with higher market capitalization, because from the low we already did here like 3000% pump, which is absolutely insane. And that's why I'm thinking that there won't be a problem with hitting like $500 mark. But let's now get back to the potential take profit targets. With a trades like this, you want to take important take profit targets under psychological resistances. So first profit, I definitely want to take under like $300 mark. So let's say something like 294, something like that, because this will be next important psychological resistance. Then you want to move your stop loss to at least break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. Then next profit, you can, for example, take on like 350, 400, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 7, 8, something like that. It depends on how much profit you will take on like each take profit target level, but still, even if you will take like a lot of take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be really great. If we take a look on a daily time frame, you can see that there is still no better area where we can place our stop loss, because the best area will be to place it like under these previous lows, but this is the same as to place it like under this bearish order block on a weekly time frame. So yeah, the stop loss needs to be really small, something around like 8%, which will give you this good risk reward ratio. And in my opinion, this trade is definitely worth of taking that risk. But again, wait for that support confirmation at least on a daily time frame, because once we will take liquidity above this current all-time high, there is really high probability of a potential short squeeze, and you definitely don't want to long the current all-time high and after that just see that liquidity grab. So yeah, definitely watch out guys for this potential trap. And if you want to know about some potential setups on a lower time frame, then definitely check out this bullish order block on the 4-hour chart, which is between levels 217 and 213. And in case of a liquidity grab, which means that we are gonna take liquidity under like all of these previous important lows, and after that there will be a support confirmation, you can open here another long trade with a stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit targets above the current all-time high if we are not gonna take a liquidity, because yeah, we can trade here that potential liquidity grab. So your last take profit target will be above this massive bearish order block, because as I said, like after a breakout there is pretty high probability that there will be like a small pump, but then we want to wait here for a support confirmation. But with this long trade on the 4-hour chart, we can just trade a potential liquidity grab to have even better profits. This trade on the 4-hour chart can give you potential risk to reward up to 13.57, which is really good. But don't forget that again, you want to take here multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take like under these previous highs, these lows, these highs, and then you want to take some of the profits on the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like more like 10 and 9, something like that, which is still absolutely amazing trade. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. These were all the main setups that I'm currently watching, and if you want to know about all the trades and about all the setups that I'm watching on multiple altcoins, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.